Hey, what's up?
Hello.
My name's Leighton J.
And I'm
And we
Allie.
are back with another YouTube video. Hey, what's up, guys? So, guess what? Literally, like, the beginning of Pride, I realized, I'm like, dang, we work. We can't come to Pride. But somehow, you know, the world works the way it does, and we are at Pride. We haven't been to Pride for, like, 3-4 years, I swear.
Yeah, because COVID and everything, they didn't do it. But now I think they came back, like, strong.
Yeah, hopefully. We don't know yet. We parked pretty far away. We're in Des Moines, Iowa.
Clayton's actually wearing my shirt, too.
Yeah, look how long it is.
Look at our outfits.
Look how long it is, guys.
Can we do a fit check? I think today deserves a fit check.
Alright, well,
Okay, I'm wearing Birkenstocks,
yeah.
American Eagle jeans, and then this is from Forever 21. It's just like a rainbow boot.
I'm wearing Nike.
I got you.
I'm wearing pants. I'm wearing American Eagle pants, and then I'm just wearing this shirt. Where's it from?
Which is mine from Pride.
I think Old Navy.
No, it's Gildan.
Oh, it's Gildan.
Like just
a
Walmart shirt,
yeah,
and then they make it.
They just made it. Yeah.
And I have my Apple Watch on.
Oh yeah. So usually I don't wear these kind of shirts out in public because I'm stealth, and I kind of feel awkward wearing it. She says she doesn't, but I mean hers is just as baby, but it has like a rainbow look. But mine, and you see only your nipple.
I know. I've been seeing that. I don't know.
It's fine.
Are you
You can
keep
see.
that in?
You can see my nipple
Are you
too.
kidding me? I do see that, but only one of them. This is
And I mean I don't know, but I'm wearing it. So, all right, let's go. We're in Des Moines, Iowa. Look how beautiful it looks. We parked over on the bridge. That's where we always park because it's free parking on the bridge. The only thing scary is the bridge collapsed about how much weight our car's gone. So, all right, you ready to go?
I actually have to pee.
This is the first time me like on testosterone and everything coming too. So like that's pretty cool.
I feel dressed inappropriately.
Yeah, you look kind of like slutty, but it's all fine.
Got a camel toe in the front, a butt wedgie in the back. Hey, don't tell me.
That's so funny. All right, we're heading there. We're heading. All right, I'll get you when we get a little close. I mean, I guess we're here. You see, you got that. It says Capital City Pride. Look at that. That looks so pretty.
We gotta start looking at vendors, see what pretty things.
That's why we're here. Oh, that's my favorite thing though, going to vendors. Ooh, look at this. What are you thinking?
I don't know.
I don't know what to think either. Ooh, can we write? Oh wait, we can't write things on this, or can we? Is this good or bad?
God, maybe perfect. Don't be afraid. I think it's good.
Okay.
Hi. That's our place.
That's our. I kind of want to just do like a whole 360 of the place, and then we can come back. What's up, guys? I'm a little overwhelmed how much people are here. I haven't seen this much people in a long time. Look, guys, I don't know what to look at. There's just so many people here.
Can you help me go to the bathroom?
You want me to help you use the restroom?
I don't know how to do
Ew,
it.
those are disgusting.
I know, but I gotta go. That's why I need help.
I'm guessing one of these buildings might have some bathrooms.
We might not allow people to use them now.
Ireland, as I waited so many years to go there. I love Ireland. I love the greenery, the scenery. And I had really built it up in my head to be this like...
All right, guys, so I got a bandana. Allison does too. It's right here. We're at the main stage. It's right there. That's the main stage. And we're kind of just walking around. You having a good time?
Yeah, but it's not really as fun as it was a couple years ago.
Yeah, but also we were newer to
And
this.
you have to pay like for everything.
Last time there was a lot more free stuff, I feel like, but also we're not digging in. Maybe there is some. And we got this for free. Because we're cheapskate guys, so that's the thing with us. But we're still gonna go look around, and we'll get you out when something happens. So yeah. All right, we're back. We got rainbow stamp. We got this. We got that. I got a bag with a flag, and then she got a bag.
And flags.
And we got a lot of, there is some free stuff everywhere now.
I think it's more this aisle.
Yeah, but hey, I mean, we're having fun, and yeah. So right now we're coming to win something. What? What's happening? Lift that. Bro, I'll break my back. There's lifting over there. All right.
And you picked a special duck. You get a t-shirt that looks just like mine. I need another.
Oh yeah, we got safe now. Look at guys. Hey, am I a duck or what?
Let's add a tail.
Is there a tail? No, there's not. All right. We're having fun. Wearing all of our stuff. We got. All right, here we are. We got everything. Hey, I got my pin. I got my other pin. Allison got her pin. Oh wait, you're not wearing. She's not wearing it. We got it. We got backpacks. I'm gonna show you everything that we got here for free. We got a lot of stuff, and I think we're leaving though, because it's getting kind of hot, and we've kind of seen everything right now. So we're not gonna stay tonight, which I think would be cute. Everything would glow up, but that's too much for us. Look at my little hat. I wish you got one. You want to go back and get one?
No.
Come on, they're cute.
I'm supporting no paper waste.
Oh, okay. Well, I'm keeping this forever. I'm gonna wear this more often outside. Yeah, so I can blend in with everyone. So I can blend in with the goose. Look at all this. Hey. Did you have a good time?
Yeah, it's really hot.
It is really hot.
There's a lot more people here, but I feel like there's a lot less this year. Because we used to come out like 10 a.m. to stay all the way.
Yeah, stay all the way.
We used to like, we wouldn't have, never have not anything to do.
But also, like, where's the drag queens on stage? That guy was singing, but there was no drag queens up there. We got lanyards, we got these, we both got bags full of stuff. Hey. Oh, there's people right behind us. That was so funny.
How funny would it be if it was the top?
All right, guys. I think we're leaving. I will film wherever we go next, but yeah, it was really fun. I think we got a couple pictures. Follow us on all the social medias and everything, because we will definitely be posting pictures. But yeah, see you in a bit. Wait, I don't. The right tube? Yeah.
Hey,
What?
tell them if they find this and send a picture, they win a prize.
No, there's no one here in Iowa that would find that. We're in Des Moines, Iowa. Oh, I lost my. Allison, Allison, my duck. Oh my god, I about lost my duck. I'm carrying way too much, so right here it says Clayton J on YouTube, and the Capitol building's right over there. So yeah, bye-bye, it's right there. Hey guys, so your favorite cheapskates found a free place to eat at. That's how you know you're cheap. Yeah, potentially. We're trying our best to get right now. We came to this school and they're having like a little pride thing. It is free. Hey guys, so we're... Oops, sorry.
See, I was going to tell a joke, and I totally messed it up. I was say we actually pay you to take a snack, so you get one for free, and we give you a second one to pay you for having the first one. So it's a little better.
I'd be down for that.
Yeah, see? All right. You guys have fun.
You too. Hey, there you go. A little bit more, and that's good. Thank you. I think that's tomato sauce also, yeah.
Yes. Oh, yeah, that's okay. I think I left it. Okay. Do you need corn?
Yeah, thank you.
Yeah, no problem.
Wow, today's actually been a really good day, you know? We really didn't even think we were going to be at Pride today, and we came to Pride, then we were about to leave Pride, and found this church, or what is this? A church, or what? Not a church, this is not a church. A school, maybe? It says marketing technology, what's that C word? Collective? That's what it says right there. So I don't know what this is here, but whatever, we got free food, free chips, free drinks. Everyone's wearing their Pride uniforms, and the people working here, it says, the white shirts say, how do you know your kid's straight? That's what it says. That's what the shirt says. How do you know your kid's straight? True. This is pretty cool. I'm having a blast, aren't you? This has probably been the best Pride now. We just got free food, too. And I love walking tacos. Oh, yeah. And Funyuns. I love Funyuns.